everyone! Thanks for joining me to learn about the AB Metro Patio Wall products. Today I'm going to show you some of the basic details of the blocks and how it is so easy to build with them using our 1, 2, 3 magic pattern. You can use these blocks to build seating or patio surround walls, elements like bars and kitchens, and low height retaining walls, all with the same product. Okay, let me show you the blocks. There are 3 modular blocks to the system. We name them based on their lengths. The AB Metro 8 inches long. We will also refer to this as a 1-core block. The AB Metro 16 or 2-core block. And finally, the AB Metro 24 3-core block. They are all 6 inches tall. To help with estimating and buying, all 3 blocks together equal 4 feet and are sold as this set on pallets. You will see on our how-to sheets, we will list how many sets are needed to build each element shown. You install them in a 1, 2, 3 pattern, like this, and then on the course above, you do a 3, 2, 1. You see here, the 1-core block is centered on the 3-core. We do this so you will avoid having the seams line up, which is not the look you want. When you start building, this product will require the blocks to be glued together for safety and durability. Finish up your project using the AB capper. You could use a similar product, paver, or natural stone. Since the blocks are flat on the top, it makes it easy to finish off. Now, let me show you some ideas of what these blocks can do. Here are some that we refer to as elements. Kitchen counters or bars in all shapes and sizes and openings, high-top tables, coffee tables, planters, fire pits. You can use multiple elements and create full outdoor rooms using the same product. Maybe you want to surround your space with a wall, border, or want a place for a gate. We call these seating walls, as they are the perfect height for that. Use columns on the ends or within the panels for accents where lighting can be placed for outdoor events or to place an entry point. This AB Metro Patio Wall also works for low height retaining or garden walls. Maybe you need to level off your backyard for your patio, as an example shown here. You can use the same product for a consistent look. Just want a planting space? Build a quick border, add plants, and enjoy. Check out our materials for full installation and any limitations to the product on our website. Happy building! Always better, always Allen Block.